Yo, watch the prayer. You see, if bad mind people did really study Vybz Kartel from Vybz Kartel birth until now, them would have realized, say, not what them say or not what them do can't stop Vybz Kartel, because Vybz Kartel have a song for everything. And if all of the people them who talk shit about Vybz Kartel did really know Vybz Kartel and know Vybz Kartel songs, them would have realized, say, yo, the more them talk, the stronger me get. Vybz Kartel said that. You understand me I say? Bad mind can't stop Vybz Kartel, you understand me I say? And I feel like as a culture we need to start celebrate people more than even try bringing them down. You understand me I say? Because I don't see what it takes for you to tell someone that you're proud of what they're doing. The man spent almost 13 years in incarceration, and the man come out and the man has tried to be a better person, a better version of himself, and 90% of who I call up the man name is pure negative. Pure negative. You understand me I say? Why can't we be proud of our black brother? Why can't we just say, Vybz Kartel, we as a nation, we are proud of you. Continue doing what you're doing. Continue to be a better person. Continue to be a role model. Why can't we do that? We just get up every day and a negative. You know what I come to realize? A lot of us black people, the reason why we can't prosper is because we are full of bad mind, grudgeful, hatred. We are so bitter inside. I mean, we are full of so much corruption. All manner of evil take over our lives. That is the reason why we can't be better. We don't like to see our black brother and our black sister successful. You understand me I say? If a man do good, we don't have bad to say about him. And when him out here on a bad, we don't say, yeah, I'm a G that, I'm a done that, I'm a this, that, I'm a that. Yeah, badness, I saw the badness go. Yo, a full time now for we as a nation come together and start do better, man. Full time for we start do better. You understand me I say? And I'm not just talking about people. I'm even talking about myself, because sometimes I come out and I'm bitter also. Sometimes I see things not really go my way. And I'm a critique also. So I make it sound like say I'm perfect. I'm not perfect, but I'm talking about all of us. We need to start being more supportive of our black brother and our black sister when they are doing good. We need to start do that. You understand me I say? Because if we don't, we are one sorry, sad, sinking nation. We're already sinking. Look what's going on in Haiti. Look what's going on right across the world. You have more black people dying than anyone else. And who is killing black people? Black. We need to start appreciate each other more. We need to start show more love and more caring and more tenderness to each other. Because at the end of the day, we are one black people. We are one nation. We need to stop disrespecting each other. This internet, it wasn't created for people to come on it and disrespect people and bring down people. I more think the internet was created for people to reach people who is far away from them, friends and loved ones. It's just like back in the day when we have what was it, pen pal? People used to have to do pen and paper. You know, if you want to speak to someone, you want to get in touch with someone, you have to do it through the mail. Now everything is at our fingertip, and all we use the internet to do is disrespect people and tear down people. And then when you all meet each other in the street, it's a total different scenario. Too much badness, too much bitterness, too much hatred is on the internet. I'm telling you, too much. And this internet is gonna be the downfall for many of us, especially the black population. And it is really sad. It is really sad. It's really sad, man. Why can't we be better? Why can't we be better? We can. We just don't want to be better. Everybody want to be bad. Everybody want to be disrespectful. Everybody want to be the baddest thing. And at the end of the day, no man are really better than no man. It's all about who make up their mind to do the dirt. No one is better than anyone. And that is what a lot of people don't understand. We need to start do better. We need to start do better. Y'all need to start use this platform to spread love instead of hate. Too much hate is on social media. And y'all need to stop. It don't have to be this way. It don't. But I just want to say, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. And as a Gaza fan, I'm very, very, very proud of you, big bro. Go and do your thing. Remember you say, the more them fight, the stronger me get. Yeah, and we can see it. We see the progress. We see the progress, Vybz Kartel. A lot of who out here right now at the dance hall, them can't even perform for a good 5 minutes. And they've been out here when you in jail. And that snippet of your rehearsal that we saw out there in the public, I want to congratulate you, bro. Great job. Continue to do what you're doing and continue to strive, because the sky is the limit. Much respect, and I'm proud of you, bro. As a Capricorn, as a Jamaican, proud of you. You understand me as a Vybz Kartel? Big up yourself and just go and do the right thing and just continue. Shut out bad mind, shut out haters, shut out grudgeful, shut out bitterness, because a lot of them we attack, they are so bitter inside. And you know why? They're like saying, how could this man spend almost 13 years in jail and I've been out here working my ass off and I can't even live the life, the kind of life that this guy is living. These are the reasons why a lot of them bad mind, because them can't live like you, Vybz Kartel. Them kids not live like your kids. You understand me? I say, may I tell you right now, Vybz Kartel, you're a big, big motivator. And even me, you motivate to be a better person, Vybz Kartel. And I want to thank you. I want to thank you, Adidja Palmer, world boss, dancehall king, undisputed. Go and do the thing, my boss. Big up yourself. And your show in December, it will be mega successful. No matter what haters want to say, it will be successful. You understand me? I say, it will, no matter what them want to say. Gaza for life. Or